everybody, how are we doing? It's Lucy Sturgis Cycling, and it is a Sunday morning. So I usually would probably be out on my bike somewhere, and I will kind of be out on my bike. Something a little bit different. So it is the day of the Polybots hill climb, and I looked at what time I did in I think it was 2017, 3 minutes 22. Now, at the time, I remember doing that time and being really frustrated with myself because I wanted to go closer to 3 minutes. I look at that time now and I was actually like, is that time even right? Because I'm shocked that I even did that. Anyway, at the time I was racing, riding with faster riders all the time, just trying to push myself and really in that mindset. And I think if you're racing, you've got to be in that mindset that you're never really happy with what you've done. It's never good enough. Anyway, total different times now. I am very much more a leisure gravel rider, but we have a club competition, so we have our hill climb trophies, and I thought, hey, let's just give it a go and see what happens. But also, this is my last year in seniors. I'm 39, so next year I'll actually be a vet, which is absolutely terrifying. That is very scary. It's an absolutely beautiful area. So we're in North Leicestershire, Charnwood district, and it's just with Braggart Park, kind of the surrounding woodland of that. So it's a lovely climb through the woodland. I'm actually feeling a bit nervous. Anyway, so I'm planning on giving it a go. It's just after 9:30. The sign-on starts at 10 o'clock, and I am gonna, I'll just give it a go. So what's the worst that can happen? Maybe I'll blow up or something. So I've got a camera mounted on my bike, so hopefully we'll be filming as we go up. I'm hoping lots of people cheer. That kind of gives you a little bit of extra mojo. I'm part thinking, like, what am I doing here? So hey, let's see what happens. Got other members of the club riding. I believe Peter's riding. He's riding on a steel bike, so if I can just go a little bit faster than him, that'd be great. Yeah, so guys, here we are. Oh, can we just get this over and done with, please? Well, I'm on my bike. I'm riding down to the start just to see if there's any activity there. It looks like there might be a few riders around. I'm probably best to sign on before I change my mind. Bloody hell. Why? It's pretty chilly. I need to get warmed up. My cycling club have arrived. I think they did a ride out. Hill climbers unite.
Indeed.
Here she is. Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! Mother goose. Quack quack. Queuing for sign on. I thought I'd better get in the queue before I change my mind. So just a bit of a number pinning going on. I could ask someone to do this for me, but I quite like pinning my own number on. Also, before a race, I don't really love talking to loads of people, although I'm a bit too relaxed for this, to be honest. Number 11, not too wonky, that'll do. And check out this Ratae silk vintage jersey. There you go. Right, so I'm going to keep warm for a bit. I'm not going to warm up just yet. Yeah, but it looks like a decent enough turnout. Quite a good turnout from the club. I've not seen any other women though. So it might just be me riding solo for the women. So hill climbing is a pretty bonkers sport, isn't it? So some people take it really seriously, like the hill climb diet and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, hey. That's not me. Well, guys, just had a wild wee. The long legs are off. I've got to ride down to the start now. I've left my warm stuff, my leggings and my jacket at the top here, so that they're ready for when I get off. So, let's do this. What am I doing here? And this is my bike mounted camera, so let's hope we get lots of cheers. Go on, Mark! Peter, how you feeling ahead of this? This event?
I'm not. Proper bike. Should be already.
Number 10. And it's like...
Yeah.
Oh, you're here. Well, I can't see your number.
It's his birthday today. He wants to spend...
Peter's.
Yeah, he wants to spend the day grovelling up a hillside.
Special birthday.
No, that's the aerodynamics. Go on, President! Up, 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 up,
Go
up,
on, Peter!
Thanks. You'll enjoy it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, Lucy!
Well done. Bit of a grovel.
You good at grovel?
No, I'm just tired. Thank you.
Come on!
Talk to me. They're smiling, they're not going fast enough.
Come on!
Come on, Ratae! Oh,
Go on, Tyler! Go on!
Think about that new bike. Yeah, it's good! Yeah, I got a stick on. Hello.
Mrs. What?
Yeah?
Go on, Steve! Go on! Go on! Right, that's done. I think it was like about a minute slower than what I did back in 2017. I'm happy with that. Fine, it was just about getting up. I'm now coughing up a little bit. It's going to take me about a day for my lungs to recover. Not used to the effort whatsoever. But what is really great about that event is just seeing so many people having a go. So all ages, like juniors, probably like 14, 15, right up, someone on a single speed. So yeah, it's a good event. It's just all about local cycling community, having a go, pushing yourself. And in my club, the Ratae Road Club, there's a lot of emphasis on just having a go, whoever you are. So yeah, I'm pleased that I did it. Got a bit of endorphin buzz after it, and I'm going to be off for the next week. So I'm going to enjoy a few days away, and I'll be showing you what I'm doing. I'm going to be going to Wales for a few days. Exciting times, can't wait. Thanks guys so much for watching, and see you next time.